My name is Rosemary Odhiambo. I come from Kisumu. I am a nurse. My reason for coming here was to learn a new skill. I've learned how to make hair, a lot of interaction with clients, and also about communication and how to make hair sister lock or Dadalock for that matter. Before I came here, I didn't know about making hair. It's actually the first time I'm trying to do it professionally. So it has helped me acquire skills and helped me to know about what it entails to make people's hair and what hair is all about, because it's not just about seeing the hair. There's a lot that it involves. Business-wise, I'm trying to channel it to starting a business. Yeah, so hopefully after I've practiced enough to be confident enough, I'll be able to start getting customers.